Hi, this is Amber, and I'm back to show you another tutorial. This one's going to be on the using Windows Easy Transfer. So, due to lab limitations, I'm going to show you the steps that you'd follow in order to do all of this. We won't actually be able to transfer because I don't have an additional computer to do this connection with. So, if you were, say, upgrading computers in your corporate network, this would be an excellent way to save the settings for someone's individual computer. What you do, click on Start. You're going to go into All Programs, into the Accessories, go to the System Tools, the Windows Easy Transfer. It's going to show you here that you can select to do several different types of transfers. User accounts, documents, music, things like that. Hit Next. You'll see here that you also have different options. An easy transfer cable, do it over a network, or you can use an external like a hard drive or a flash drive. I have a flash drive installed so I can show you at least how to do the transfer. Select this. So we're going to treat this as the old computer. We're going to go ahead and select this is my old computer. It's going to scan the computer for all the documentation that you can technically transfer. And we're just going to let it go through this scan real quick here. And then you'll see here that it shows you that you can customize what it's actually transferring. You can click on Customize. It'll show you what it actually wants to transfer over: documents, music, pictures, videos, program settings, Windows settings. You can go into Advanced and it'll basically break down everything that it wants you to transfer. You can also uncheck those so that only certain things actually do the transfer. I'll hit Cancel, and you'll see here that it's got quite a bit of data here that it wants to transfer. If you select Next, it's going to give you that option to enter a password, save those changes, and then it's going to go through the process of saving that. Basically, the install to the new computer is going to be very similar. You're still going to go back into All Programs, into the Accessories, your System Tools, the Easy Transfer. It'll pop up the box here, but then once you go in here, it's actually going to give you the option and select this is the new computer. It's going to ask you to plug in that device, and once you select that, it will actually let you choose where you're going to install that information and then open it and do an install. It's going to run through that process again, and it's going to reinstall all the settings that you had saved on that previous computer, along with, if you had custom settings for your desktop, for example. You'll see here that I have a custom background. Those things will all reinstall. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.